Although Antarctica is the coldest continent, deep in Siberia lies Yakutsk, the coldest city on Earth. Winter temperatures often plunge below -40 degrees Celsius. Life here is tough but fascinating. Despite the bone-chilling cold, Yakutsk is home to over 300,000 people. The city thrives with markets, schools, and theaters, all operating in extreme conditions. Houses here are built on stilts. This prevents heat from melting the frozen ground, known as permafrost. Donning multiple layers of clothing are a must to brave this harsh climate, a process that can take 15 minutes or more. Schools are cancelled only when temperatures drop below -45 degrees. Some areas have no central water supply. Locals cut ice and melt it for drinking and household use. Anyone operating a camera in this climate has a window of about 15 minutes to capture the perfect take before their gear gives in to the freezing cold. The extreme climate here tests not only the humans who endure it, but the gear they use and utilize as well. The cold climate doubling as a natural freezer, fish and meat are stored outdoors and stays fresh for days. This city is a testament to human strength and adapting for survival.